Today we're about to remove the headlights of this 04 Max. This one you gotta remove the bumper, man. Fucking sucks, man. So we're about to remove the bumper and get to the headlights. Let's get it. Okay, so this bumper's already fucked up, so you gotta take off this mud flap, like drop it down, take out all the clips that's under the bumper, all the clips. See how mine's missing? I can't really show you because they're off. So it should be clips and a couple tens on there, and soon you take those off at the bottom, there's a 10 here which I already removed. There should be a 10 up here in this mud flat, behind this mud flat should be a 10 here and another 10 on the driver's side. Okay, soon you do that, these clips you should pull out. These are already off. Pull out, put those, this one, that one, pull off, and like I said, another 10 under behind here, behind this mud flat. Should be a 10 there. So you do all that, should come off. That. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Your parking light down there, so you gotta be careful with that one. You see, this one got cut off. Look, it should be here, but it's not. You see how this side, the driver's side, has this connector on it. Should remove that. See a better angle. Oh, this side. See, this side has the screws on the mud flap. See the screws? The screws you should remove. That one and this one right there. So let's take those off. Okay, now you gotta remove these 10s. There's one in the corner right here. Driver's side. Take that off. This one right here, in the front, bottom. Okay, 2 at the top. There, one right here. There. Put those somewhere. See that? It's loose, kind of loose. Oh yeah, forgot one more right here. Boom. That one. Take it out slowly. Turn it, and you should connect the port. So disconnect this. Okay, once you take that out, do the passenger side. Let's do that right now. You can start at the top if you want, doesn't matter. Bottom. Yeah. Gets loose. There. And one up here. Well, down here. There. And one here. So you do all that, pull the headlight out, disconnect it, you know, just like the driver's side. Okay, pull it out, so, disconnect it right here. That's if you're swapping the headlight. If you're just changing the bulb, you could just hold it, or it's easier when you take it out. Whatever, twist it off, put your bulb in. That's it. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, same way you took it out. Connect it first, put it back in, like so. Soon you connect it. I'm not gonna connect it because I need this out. So connect it, put it in, put your top bolts, bottom bolt on there, one in here. Don't forget this one in there. There's one on the side, and same thing with the driver's side. Put the bumper on, same way we took it out. Should be it, bruh. Okay, once you're done putting everything back, the headlights, see mine, put mine, because I need to take it off because I'm junking the car. I'm not gonna put it back on. Okay, put the headlights, put the bumper back on, two bottom, the two sides. Let me show you. It's better when I show you. Yeah, when you put the bumper on, make sure you get the corners. That's right here. The corners, two corners, right here. There should be two. One here, 10 mil. Put your bottom splash shield on. Put the clips, 10 mils, screwdrivers, whatever they are. Don't forget your parking light. Put that. Make sure you connect that. This one's ripped. Both same thing with the other side. Connect that. Yeah. Put the bumper on. Yeah, should be it. If you have any questions, comment below, man. I know it's a little confusing because I didn't put shit back on. If you have any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics, and give me a like, man. Give me a like if that helped you out, and subscribe. Later.